Once we're set up, you don't have to spend all that time worrying about, hey, listen, do I need to put a spreadsheet and make sure the price of lettuce changes by a nickel? Do I change suppliers week after week? I don't have to deal with multiple salespeople and all this kind of thing. So that time side, and they're going to get the product when they want it, and at a competitive price. On the food safety side, we are the leaders. We're the only SQF certified distributor in Southern California, and one of the few actually in the nation that has been able to meet the global food safety standards that it takes to do that. And we have
the only one in Southern California.
Right.
And there's only a handful of them in
nationwide,
the nation. All right. And then so that takes care of the quality side and takes care of the safety side.
Right.
And you said something about cold chain. This was
right. When I was a kid, you'd go to the grocery store and they'd have iceberg lettuce, maybe potatoes, tomatoes in the wintertime. Now you go to the grocery store and they got everything. And that's all happened because produce distributors were able to manage the cold chain. Now, most of the people that are smaller don't manage it like we do. We never break the cold chain. Our warehouse is refrigerated, our docks are refrigerated, trucks are refrigerated. We require the trucks that deliver to us to all be refrigerated. So what happens is that the restaurateur that used to get 7-day-a-week delivery and think that, I guess we grew it in the backyard, whatever, now can go 3-day-a-week delivery, saves them, again, time and things like that. They get quality produce that doesn't, they cut it in the morning, it's rotten at night. That doesn't happen anymore, at least from us now. And I visit customers and they'll say, well, I got to have 6-day-a-week delivery. And I go, well, why is that? And then it all boils down to the supplier they're currently using doesn't manage the cold chain. So we spend a lot of time on it, making sure that we're measuring that on an ongoing basis.
Yeah. So how fast after it's cut does it get into the cold process?
So as soon as it's cut, they take it to the sheds for the most part, and it's cooled that day. And then after that, it never breaks that cold chain again. Our average turn in our warehouse for produce is about 2.5 days. So it's cut, cooled, and delivered to us the next day, and in our warehouse 3 days later, max.
And then it's in the clients.
Yeah. But you go to the grocery store, you look at salads right now, and look at that use by date, it'll last 2 weeks.